feedback as positive outputs that were successful. So that could be just regular forum online of anybody joining, or can target designers that are graduating from college so they can get their name out. So what I basically
Hi, I'm Sushil. Crowdfunding is a very big thing nowadays. Everyone's looking excited and going out there to do it. There are so many platforms and portals coming online, and sometimes people do not know where to go and what's the best platform to engage with. They're lost. So my company, Crowdfunding EDU, is going to help someone who is new to crowdfunding decide which portal they should go to and kind of show them the steps to actually succeed in the crowdfunding arena when they're doing it. So who do I need? I need actually developers as well as business and marketing people to help me kind of go out there over the weekend and get some basic questions and answers done so that we know what to build.
Something else?
No,
A name for it?
I'm sorry?
A name?
Crowdfunding EDU.
All right. Perfect. Well, thank you. Hey, I'm Jay. I'm a sales engineer. So by 2016, there will be around 10 millions of connected devices, which includes your tablet, your iPhone, even smartphones, your e-readers, right? Only last year, in 2012, 1 million connected devices has been shipped. If you think about, probably everyone has at least 2 connected devices, right? So on average in US, the connected device is only 1.6, like on average, right? So what does that mean? I mean, that means there's a big opportunity for marketers and app developers. So what I'm going to do is, if they can identify the customer who are the consumer who are using these connected devices, they can target those customers specifically, right, with their product and services. So my idea is to build an analytic platform using that data to identify those customers who are using these connected devices and use as a service provided to app developers to monetize, as well as to give it to marketers so that they can target their specific product and services and identifying that customers.
Hello, my name is Charles Mardine. I've been a consultant in IT for the last 10 years, and I have a problem, and my problem is organizing lunches with my friends every day. My friends work in different offices, they're often in meetings, and for the most part they only know what they don't want for lunch. So I have an idea for an application that will allow me to propose a series of places I want to go, allow my friends to tweak those pieces of advice, add things, change things, and the application will decide based on what's closest to us, what our needs are, what's the best fit. I see this growing in other event management perhaps. I'm looking for designers, developers, mobile for the most part, and just get a name for it. The Great Lunch Debate.
My company name is benstuff.com. We're developing a lead generation mobile application to help advertisers increase exposure, and vending machine operators increase inventory turnover by awarding end users with real-time action currency. For example, sir, what's your name? I will award you a candy bar out of the vending machine and just doing something with your cell phone. So you use your cell phone, you take it with you all the time, and you do something and you get something. We call it action currency. With over 8 million machines currently placed in the US, VenStuff creates a unique promotional channel to reach customers right where they are. It's great for college and university recruiting, Army recruiting, Air Force, Marine, etc. Surveys. So the vending machine is now your Google AdWords, if you will. So it's paid for lead, but for vending machines. Thank you.
I'm actually born and raised from this area. I moved out to California, and on my way back from California, I realized I had developed a lot of allergies and intolerance to things. I'm a great meat eater, And then I learned that a lot of my health issues that are both hereditary and non actually had some issues when I didn't eat meat. So, trying on this new extravaganza diet, I had to eat more organic and more raw. So my business that I'm looking for is going to be called Outdoor Zoo, and it's actually a pizza shop that is based on more of farm to table, something that more people are able to relate to. But it's using organic foods that is also going to be sensitive to those people who have an intolerance to wheat, to gluten, to dairy products, things like that. So what I'm looking for is everybody.
Hi, my name is Zach. I'm a lead developer for a company called Meridian Media Procurement Systems. We compete directly with SAP and some of the other large organizations. There's over $2 billion in our company alone that gets transmitted between business to business. What I'm looking to solve is time. I have to do these transactions individually, and each time create a specification for this customer to this customer. So what I want to do is create a blank specification of CXML that takes one from you and another from the business, and allows somebody else with a non-technical nature to rearrange those elements inside that document so that they can create their own CXML, get it back and forth between each other without the involvement and the waste of time on the developer each day. I don't have a name for it other than Zach.
Hi everybody. My name is Jacob. I'm from American University. Just came up to see you guys. Has anyone heard of AngelList? Most of you guys, some startup guys, come on. So AngelList is awesome because it helps us discover new startups, whether it's VLS in certain fields and everything like that. And I've realized that nonprofits don't have a way for us to discover them, for us to really learn about them. And so what if we could take nonprofits, and there's more than 1 million in the country right now, and we could give them a page, a front page of the internet. Every nonprofit could have a page that we could discover them based on where they are, what they do. It could be used for recruiting people to work at their nonprofit or to take donations. So, developers, I'm looking for you guys. Really help with, I don't know if we want to go mobile or not, but yeah, developers, designers, I'm a business guy. And I'd really like to see this because I think we could empower nonprofits and also have a local company. So, thanks.
Hi, I'm Trevor Rotten, and mobile developer and application developer. And an interesting fact, did you know that over 15 million people in the United States have allergies, food allergies that can actually cause them major issues? In fact, so much so that every 3 minutes somebody is admitted to the hospital in a galactic shock. And it's a really serious problem. I was thinking, how interesting would it be to be able to actually have a mobile app that brought in, rather than twisting around the other way, put in what things you were actually allergic to. And then let's try to find the sources, recipes, and things that actually fit. And make it more interesting enough. What if you had invited a bunch of different people to dinner, and each one had different allergies? It would be interesting to be able to tie those things together and get something that's good for each one. I'm looking for application developers and designers and marketers.
Hi, my name is Abdul. Really liked all the ideas, so I decided to come up with my own. Mine is, so how many of you have, get this on the internet? How many of you have seen a coupon in the last week? Okay, a lot more. So, my app is based on coupons. So, imagine you have, or you're not, you have all these coupons, but you don't know what cell applies or where do these coupons apply to something else. So, mine is the coupon app that allows you to scan a coupon, store its location, either in the binder or somewhere else, and then whenever you go to a store and you see something on sale, you can scan it with your phone, and it'll tell you how many coupons you have with that, so you can save a lot more extra money at the end when you go to leave. I'm a programmer, so obviously I love other programmers too, but also business people to tell me more of the marketing side and how it integrates with supermarkets or anything else. Awesome.
Hi everyone, I'm Fragile. maybe 3 if you count me. But basically, we have hundreds of dollars of the inventory that sits there, and oftentimes we end up throwing out a lot of that inventory every month. What I want to do, my idea is to connect my kitchen with the grocery store and let them manage my inventory. So basically, as my food becomes obsolete, you're always throwing out stuff, the grocery store can send me recipe ideas for the inventory that I still have, and then the stuff that I'm lacking, they can go ahead and have that delivered to my drawers. And also the stuff that I use frequently, they're managing that. So as I need it, it comes on demand. So basically, I'm looking, I don't care what your skill set is, I'm looking for talented people that are good, and really want to change the world. Thanks.
Steve Boyer is my name. I live in Carlisle. I am the grocery shopper in the house. My wife, bless her heart, is not versed with certain gifts, and one of them is cooking and shopping. Over the years, I have found the same problem over and over again. When I pick up that boneless, skinless chicken breast, how do I know that's the best price for the dollar? How do I know? How do I know that I could wait till tomorrow and see it at a better price somewhere else or in the same store? I've been working on this idea for a couple of years, but haven't done anything with it. It's called GrocerEase, EEZ.com. And what it allows is for you, the consumer, with a mobile app, or to go on your computer and put in your grocery store list and see not just what the price is at Giant, but also see what that price today is at Weis, at Carnes, at Wegmans, at Walmart. It is scalable, something that can be started here, that can be then developed regionally and go nationwide with it. I'm going to need developers, I'm going to need mobile app developers, I need designers.
And my business idea is based on obesity. Obesity is a challenge that something that challenges our society today. So my idea was a drive-through gym that was connected to a restaurant. Where I think the reason why we're challenging obesity is because we have drive-throughs so easily. So we had a drive-through gym. I was connected to a restaurant that made healthier food. You could pull up, get out of your car, start your workout right away without having to think like there was like a program set up, and then afterwards a meal will be prepared for you to eat dinner and whatnot later on. So I think that would be a good idea to challenge our obesity issues.
You're unique.
I need everybody.